Hello there, it's me, Faren, and if you saw my last video, then you know what all this is about. So, if this is your first time here, welcome. I do all types of natural hair videos along with a little skincare and lifestyle. So if that's your thing, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you will never miss another upload. Thanks. So if you aren't new to my channel, then you know I recently just purchased the Dyson Supersonic. I treated myself because, you know, self-care is where it's at and gifts is my love language, even if they are to myself. So I am going to show you guys how I diffuse / dry my wash and goes when I don't have all day, because Fred can take forever and a day to dry, okay? First thing we're gonna do is do a little stretch, you know, relax those shoulders, make sure that neck is, you know, all stretched out, because this can be kind of strenuous. Okay, good, we're feeling great. All right, let's do this. So this next part is going to be a voiceover, just because I feel like this Supersonic is super loud, but you're gonna get the gist of it. I'm going to put it on the second highest fan and the second highest heat setting, so not all the way up, just like a medium heat, and we can go ahead and get right into this. So I would say that the length of my hair is medium. It's not really long, it's not that short, it's just a nice in-between length. So I like to use the diffuser to make sure the heat and the airflow can get to my roots. I want to make sure the roots of my hair dry as quickly as possible before they have a chance to revert and shrink up. Not so worried about the length of my hair, because I feel like it's so weighed down by the process of using the Dicky method, but I really want to focus on getting to those roots. So that's why you'll see me dip my head from side to side, not really scrunching my hair towards my root, because I personally don't want to lose the length. I just want to get that heat up there. And so my curls are very clumped together. I absolutely love that about this wash and go. But as you can see, I'm really focusing the heat towards my scalp, and you know, it's on the medium heat, so it's not too high. It's not gonna damage my scalp, but I just want to make sure the air and the heat is concentrated more so towards my scalp from the beginning. So now you're gonna see me remove the diffuser attachment and just use the blow dryer by itself. I find this is the quickest way to blow dry the length of my hair, and it actually adds volume. Now, I don't want my hair sticking straight up this time. Usually I will just hold my head upside down and just go at it with this blow dryer and Fred will stick straight up. But this time I'm gonna aim the air down so my hair doesn't have the volume that it normally does. And I'm also going to shake my head as I'm using the blow dryer, just to make sure the airflow is getting to all of my tendrils and coils. And we're gonna dry this baby off quick. So at this point, I would say that my hair is about 80% dry. I'm just gonna let it air dry for the rest of the time. What I recorded took about 30 minutes in order to get to this point, and my hair is very dense, and it usually takes a day and a half for it to air dry. And I had only been sitting with my hair wet for maybe 30 to 45 minutes before I started the drying process. So 30 minutes with this Supersonic is like crazy to me. I feel like it just really cuts the time down a lot. It gets my hair done in a jiffy. Altogether, between the styling and the blow drying, was like an hour. But typically I would let my hair sit for 3 to 4 hours in air dry, but I just didn't have the time for that today. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. I might come back. I'll probably come back and give y'all a final look when it's like 100% dry, or maybe I'll show y'all what it looks like tomorrow. Well, I'm back like I promised I would be. It's not the next day. It's actually been 3 days, but look at how good Fred is looking. Check the definition. There's no frizz. He's soft. He moves. He got body. You can see where I got a little, where I was product heavy right here. Don't mind that. That don't bother me. It's the results for me. Like, everything about this washing style just worked out so well. Like, my expectations were exceeded. Like, my expectations be low when I be doing wash and goes, and so this like took my confidence up 3 notches in actually doing this. The Big Papa defining gel, one product wash and go, excuse me, what? Like, my hair is so soft, it still has hold, there's no frizz. I think I won. Like, I am just sitting here like I just won the lotto. Not really, but I'm feeling really good. Everything about this wash and style process turned out really great. But comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the whole process and my results. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so very much. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We can do this. We can get there, okay? Let's do it. I will see you all in the next one.